When I tap you, that means I'm ready to go. Right?
When she tapped
When
me,
I
she's
give
ready.
you a boom boom.
Boom, boom, boom. I'm ready to go there. Oh.
Oh, this is nice. How do I look on here? Let me see. All right.
Where Fontaine Detla? I have to do it. 'Cause you're my cousin. I love you. But
That's
yo,
it too.
let me tell you a little something about Gladys. She's always supporting me.
Yeah.
Especially when I thought I was a rapper. She went to
Oh,
Jersey
damn.
to watch me perform in Jersey.
I remember
rap?
that. I remember
Yes.
that. Yeah.
When I did,
Yeah.
when I thought I was a
So
rapper.
hold on, Gladys. Was it good? Don't look at him. Was it good?
I can't
Don't
say I
look at him.
I
Just tell
can't
us.
say I remember the song, but
So
I
it was
remember the
bad.
vibe.
It was bad.
It was a
So
vibe.
it was
It was
bad.
nice. We had a good time. We had
If
a
you
good
don't
time.
remember the song, it was bad.
I don't. This was years ago.
It's
Okay,
been over
years.
15
Jeffrey's
years.
been grinding
I
for
thought I was a
years
rapper
and
too,
years.
by the way. It's
so-
not just you.
Yeah.
I'm Haitian, so I've done a lot of jobs. Come
Yes,
on.
like us all.
Speaking of a lot of jobs.
Oh
literally,
God.
Gladys, you probably going on 24 hours right
I
now?
probably had about 4 hours of sleep in the
Wow.
last day.
In the last day.
Last day or
She took a
half.
test. Well, go ahead. Go ahead. Why
So
am I telling
Gladys,
your
tell us
story?
about you. What do you do?
Yeah.
What should we know?
I mean, I'm just a regular girl. I'm a LPN.
Tell
I've
people what
been-
LPN means.
Oh, licensed practical nurse.
Big
I
up for
did that.
LPNs. We love
Yeah.
LPNs. We
We
need
love them.
LPNs.
Notice, medical, Haitian.
Oh, always, always.
You know?
Yeah. I mean, honestly, I have to give it to my mom. She basically forced me to go into nursing school. I didn't have a choice, but it was a good choice, and I appreciate her for pushing me and supporting me to go.
Okay.
So, you know,
Twice she pushed you and gave you birth to you. Now she pushed
Yep,
you.
yep, yes, she did. She held me down through nursing school.
You
and
know?
I give it to her.
Yep.
Yeah.
And I remember when I first came here on Taylor Street,
What year was this?
none of your business.
Yeah, we need to. What year was this?
No, we had some times.
What
We
year
had some
was this?
times.
1995.
Exactly. Okay.
Just
95.
because,
Okay.
you know, this, I know where he going.
It's 2 years. It's 2 years before I came. 97.
Yeah, he came in 97. I came in
yeah.
95. But
So when I got here, I got no English. Okay.
you
And
still-
this guy want to talk English to me.
what?
But go ahead. That's a different story.
That's a different story.
That's a different show.
Yeah. So Gladys used to come on Taylor Street Gang,
Yep.
and
We called it Little Haiti back
Little Haiti, because
Yep.
there were so many Haitians on Taylor Street.
then. Yes.
19 and 25, nothing but Haitians.
Yep. Yep.
The whole building, but one Hispanic family
Yeah.
we had.
I remember.
Yeah. So her, Amanda, Junior, Greg's was there too. He's in Florida now. What is Greg? Never mind. Another
yeah,
story.
that's another story.
So our family is pretty big, and she's always supporting me, whatever I'm doing. So she was like, I haven't gotten any sleep, but I will be there.
Yeah,
Oh,
I'm coming off
that's
of like
cool.
a
Yes.
We like
I-
that.
yeah.
Thank you.
So
yeah.
that's why I'm
absolutely.
always wanting to support whatever she got going on. You know, like when COVID, you were selling masks.
Yeah,
Okay.
Not what the
I
mask.
did a little entrepreneur.
I-
I'm not an entrepreneur girly. You know,
Okay.
I tried it out. I liked it, but I like what I do. I like
Okay.
At
being
least
a
you tried
nurse.
it.
Yeah.
You know, I tried it in the COVID time. You know, I was selling like nursing supplies. It was fun. For me,
Okay.
it was a fun hobby. I made some money. I made my own little stimulus
There you
Okay.
around
go.
that
Okay.
time. All right, I gotta say that.
Yeah.
But it got
You didn't
a
have
little
to wait like the rest of us. Okay.
no,
All
they
right.
didn't. I only got about one check, so I was like, I got to make my check. So it was nice. It was fun,
Okay.
but it got overwhelming because raising kids and working in the height of COVID, and you know, sending out packages and customer service. I was like, wait a minute, it's not. I don't know if it's really for me. I mean, I like to be of service to my community. I like being a nurse. And
Oh, so no wonder my package was late.
I can't.
Oh my! So now the backstory is coming. I was waiting for,
No,
for
it
those
was-
masks.
It was fun, but I don't know. I'm pursuing you know, furthering my degree in nursing and yeah, just raising my kids, and I'm happy doing that.
Aw.
So
But my partner does have a gym that he just opened, 48 Union Street, Boxing and Fitness.
48
Everybody's
Union
invited
Street.
for a free trial. Bring the
Yes.
Come
kids.
get some workout.
Yes.
Come on and get a workout. Bring the kids.
Alpha exercise.
All ages. We do boxing classes, fitness, circuit, all that good stuff.
All that good stuff.
I'll leave that to him. I like to go to work, clock in, do my
Your
thing,
husband got to
clock
sponsor us. We need money.
Well, next time we're gonna talk. Wait a minute, we're gonna talk.
Put it on her like that. But anyway, y'all, the website, thepathwetakepodcast.com. You could donate. You could sponsor us. We looking for sponsor, y'all.
Nous besoin d'argent.
We
Forget the whole sponsor. Nous besoin d'argent. That's it.
See, we did all of this by ourselves.
Yes.
That's tough.
Oh, I'm gonna let him finish clapping. Go ahead, continue. Thank you. So imagine if we had some support behind us. How
Absolutely.
we can definitely, how far we can go. Because as you can see, we always setting up in different locations. I live in Rhode Island. He always go and visit me. And my basement is pretty small, but I still set up there. We film probably like at least 5 episodes in one day just to get it out the way. Or I'll come down here at the Hilton and, you know, thank God for my job. I get, you know, some good deals. I'm not going to book your room. Don't ask me. So we go and record it there. So it's for, and imagine if we get to support y'all and we could do a lot more.
And I just want to say, you know, I mean, I love this whole setup. And I just love that our generation of Haitian people are coming together like the last generation didn't.
Yes.
No shade to the last generation, but I
Hey.
feel like we would have been so further if we stick together like other cultures do. I'm gonna be honest.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It's my
Okay.
personal opinion. You know, I mean,
I'm gonna give you a little example.
we should have been owning the bodegas and the
That's
restaurants
right.
from decades ago.
Yeah,
We should have
because
been
you have-
having all these establishments.
Yeah.
It's because we need this. Like
Yeah.
we need to come together, support each other. You know, even when you were asking, you know, looking for a sponsor for the food, and I gave you someone, and you was like, "Nah, I need Haitian food." You was like, "No, it gotta be Haitian owned business." And
Yeah.
you know, it's not to be separated, but we have to like continue this and
Correct.
lift each other up,
Yeah.
and you know, for the next generation to come and forward. Because
Yeah.
like you said, we'll get into that more, the
will.
generational trauma and all the other stuff. But
Yeah. Yeah,
this is a
because-
nice start. This is
Yeah.
a light.
Absolutely.
We're gonna get into it. Yeah.
Jen's Cuisine literally texted me this morning, and she was like, "Shout out to Warrior. They're about to open a diner," and she's like, "I want you to do the commercial, and I want to work with you. I want to hire you." Then she saw the video that I did for Jen's Cuisine. She was like, "You know what? The food will be ready at 2. Come get it."
Okay.
Nice. That's what we need.
Yeah.
More of that.
So
That
thank
is
you.
what we need.
Yes. So y'all got to eat some good Haitian food.
Yes, it was
And
good.
people donated the alcohol too. So the anonymous ones.
Wait, you got donations alcohol? I had to pay for mine. What is going on here?
Hey,
Hold on. Miss, I had to buy mine to come here.
I guess you don't have the silver.
I ain't got no. I need some connections. Okay.
Well,
Stick
again,
with me. Stick with me. Let's go.
I just want to
This is
say
it. Thank you.
congratulations.
Thank you so much,
Absolutely.
guys.
Thank you, Gladys.
Thank you so much.
I really
Yeah.
appreciate
Give it up for
that.
Gladys, y'all.